You may have traveled the world, but have you traveled the solar system? Do you want to travel the solar system? If not, this is not the place to be. Let me warn you, if you leave, you'll miss out on a lot of interesting information. I am Kelsey, and I will give you a tour of the solar system. The first planets are the four inner planets. Let's start. First up, Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. This is the smallest planet in our solar system. During the day, it is so hot, but at night, it is freezing cold because Mercury has no atmosphere. Let's go to Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun and the most similar to Earth in size. It has an atmosphere of clouds which rain acids. It's a good thing it's not raining right now. The clouds let heat in but not a lot out, so the average surface temperature is 867 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than Mercury. You can see Venus at night because the sun's light reflects off the clouds. It's getting hot. Let's move on. Now we're at a planet you should know very well, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only known planet in the solar system to support life. What makes life on Earth possible is a layer of gas surrounding it. Now we are at Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is nicknamed the Red Planet because it is covered in rocks and soil that contain iron oxide, also known as rust, which is a reddish-brown color. Mars has a canyon bigger than Earth's Grand Canyon. Wow! Buckle your seatbelts and get ready for a bumpy ride. We're passing the Asteroid Belt. This big belt separates the inner and outer planets. First from the Asteroid Belt, fifth from the Sun, is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest of the planets. If it was hollow, all the other planets could fit inside. 1 day on Jupiter is 12 hours of Earth time, and 1 year on Jupiter is 12 years in Earth time. Jupiter has at least 63 moons, more moons than I thought any planet could have. Now we are going real far out to Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun. This planet has thousands of rings circling it. The rings are made of ice, dust, and chunks of rocks. Saturn has a moon named Titan that has an atmosphere. Now let's go to Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and for some odd reason it rotates sideways. Uranus is a blue-green color. Just remember, the blue color is not water. In the atmosphere there is methane. It is so cold that the methane is liquid. Little drops of methane form a thin, colorful cloud over Uranus. Last but not least, the eighth planet from the Sun with an average surface temperature of negative 353 degrees Fahrenheit, Neptune. Neptune is so far away it cannot be seen from Earth without a telescope. You're lucky because right now you don't need a telescope. Powerful winds blow huge storms across Neptune's surface. 1 year on Neptune is 165 years on Earth. The oldest person living on Earth wouldn't even be 1 year old. That was our solar system, the Milky Way, the place we call home. I wonder if sometime, somewhere, we will find another planet that we can call home.